Hi, and very good morning to our beloved lecturer, Madam Kasturi. So my name is Fakrul. My another teammate is Daniel Hugh and Amin Shami. So we will present our game for today about the river crossing challenge from level 1 to level 4. So I will make you guys know how to play this with our speaking skill, and then Daniel will conduct the game with Daniel. So there have the instruction, which is can you get all four across the river safely. So we'll play this game now. So now Daniel, we play the game. Okay, we will start the game for the level 1. For now, Daniel have to take the man and the goat into the small boat and then cross the river. Put that goat and only that man have to cross, and then take the wolf, cross the river, put the wolf, and then take the goat, cross back the river, put that goat, and then take the carrot, so cross with that carrot, put the carrot, and then only that man will cross back to the river. And then take the goat, and then cross. Then put everything and that man to the river. Yay! So, congratulations, you have to complete the challenge of the smallest number of crossing. So, we just done the level 1. So, everyone is safely arrived. So, we go to the next for the level 2. Okay, this is a level 2 river crossing challenge. So, there is have a small boat, and 2 tall boat. The instruction is, can you get the 4 robot across the river safely? So you can read that. So we're playing the game now for the level 2. So Daniel, you have to put the small board, double small board, you have to put into the small board. And then cross, put the small board. Okay, only one small board, back to the river. Put that small board. Okay, take the tall board, cross, and then you have to put the tall board, and then you have to take a small board, and then you have to cross, and then you have to take the small board, cross, then you have to put that small board, cross, yeah, and then you have to put that small board, you take the tall board, you make it end, put that tall board, take the small board, back to the river, cross, and then take the small boat. Then we cross, then put that small boat and that small boat. So the small boat is end. So we just complete, and conversation you have to complete the challenge the smallest number of crossings. So we just end the level 2. So we go now to the level 3.
Okay, now we are in river crossing challenge level 3. So the instruction say, can you get all 6 creatures across the river safely? So let us started. So firstly, we,
Okay,
we take
go to
two
the level 3.
we take 2 creatures and cross the river, and then put 1 creatures, and then we cross again to take another creatures. Then we cross, and then we put the creatures, and then we cross back. We put the creatures and take 2 munchkins to cross, and then we put a munchkins and take 1 creatures to cross, and then we put the creatures and take the other munchkins to cross, and then we put these 2 munchkins, and then we take the creatures, and then we cross to take the other 2 creatures, and we cross, and then we cross back, and then take the last creatures, and then we cross. So that's all for river crossing challenge level 3. So now we proceed to level 4. Okay, level 4 is scout crossing the river. So instructions say, can you get all 5 scouts across the river safely? So let's get started. Okay, the first one, we take the beaver scouts, 2 beaver scouts to cross the river, and then put 1 beaver scout, and then we cross back again, and then we put a beaver scout the other side and take the explorer scout to cross the river, and then put the explorer scouts, and then we take the beaver scout to cross back and to fetch 1 explorer scout to cross to the other side, and put 1 beaver scout, and then we roll back to the other side and put the beaver scout and take the explorer scout to cross the river, and then we put the explorer scout, and then we take again the beaver scout to take the other 2 scout from the other side. So we cross now, and take the other beaver scout across, and that's all
Yay! And
for
so we just done all the level from 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is have their own challenge. So, me.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. from me, Amir, Fakrul, and Daniel.
Thank you.
All right, thank
Thank
you.
you.